What is the Asaduddin Owaisi's party, AIMIM, up to? Because ahead of Delhi elections, AIMIM is mulling a ticket to another riot accused. They've already given tickets, according to our information, to at least 2 candidates. Remember Tahir Hussain, who was earlier with the Aam Aadmi Party, and also Shafa Rehman, who were both facing charges in the Delhi communal riots in northeast Delhi. AIMIM, we are told, has also now put up a nominee against BJP's Kapil Mishra. Now, Ishrat Jahan is also why interesting and important with regard to the 2020 issue of Delhi riots. Remember that charges were framed against her. She's a former Congress councillor. Charges were framed against her and 12 others. Attempt to murder. Also, we were told that unlawful assembly, rioting. These were charges against her. And now, while Ishrat is in touch with AIMIM, this is likely because could there be a snub from the Congress party? Shreya Chatterjee joins me on this. Shreya, you and I reported on the Delhi communal riots, and it was a nightmare of a situation there. What do you think, however, is AIMIM's strategy? Fielding 2 candidates who are clearly controversial, in touch with Shah Rukh Pathan, and then comes in Ishrat Jahan. What do you think is happening and why?
Well, Pooja, this is about the sentiment at play that the MIM is actually trying to use in the Delhi election. That's precisely why we've seen the likes of Tahir Hussain, etc., has already been fielded by AIMIM in the Delhi elections. Now, the candidature of Ishrat Jahan is being suspected to be pitted against Kapil Mishra in Karawar Nagar. That is something that AIMIM is trying to gain from, because these pockets do have the M voter factor that might just help AIMIM. But it would be interesting to see how it plays out, because irrespective of these candidate fielding, we've seen time and again AIMIM being accused of helping the ruling BJP at the centre, rather, because irrespectively AIMIM has also been blamed to cut the vote of the other parties. So that is something it will be interesting to see how the entire scenario plays out. But Ishrat Jahan most likely pitted against Kapil Mishra from Karawar Nagar, as AIMIM has already fielded multiple other candidates, 2 of them who have been accused in the Delhi riots.
All right, so it will be interesting to see, and if that strategy helps AIMIM in any way, at least when it comes to the communally sensitive northeast Delhi. Thank you very much for now, Shreya Chatterjee.